Welcome to this lesson on vowels and consonants. Understanding the difference between these two types of sounds is fundamental to learning English. In this video, we will explore what vowels and consonants are, how they differ, and why they matter in English pronunciation and communication. The English language is built on two main types of sounds, vowels and consonants. Vowels are open sounds where air flows freely through your mouth. Consonants are blocked sounds where the airflow is restricted or interrupted. Every word in English is made up of a combination of these two types of sounds. Vowels are sounds where air flows freely through your mouth without any blockage. There are 5 main vowels in English: A, E, I, O, and U. When you produce vowel sounds, your vocal cords vibrate to create the sound. Vowels have a clear, resonant quality that you can hear distinctly. Consonants are sounds where the airflow is blocked or restricted by your tongue, teeth, or lips. There are 21 main consonants in English: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The sound is created by blocking air at different points in your mouth and then releasing it. Let us compare vowels and consonants. Vowels have free airflow with no obstruction, while consonants have blocked airflow. Vowels involve vocal cord vibration and produce clearer, more resonant sounds. Consonants create quieter sounds through obstruction. Vowels can be prolonged or sustained, but consonants cannot be held long. Vowels are easy to sing, while consonants require quick articulation. Let us look at some examples of vowels. The word apple starts with the vowel A, pronounced with the sound /I/. The word elephant starts with the vowel E, pronounced with the sound /A/. The word ice starts with the vowel I, pronounced with the sound /I/. Notice how each vowel has its own distinct sound. Now let us look at some examples of consonants. The word ball starts with the consonant B, pronounced with the sound /B/. The word sun starts with the consonant S, pronounced with the sound /S/. The word tiger starts with the consonant T, pronounced with the sound /T/. Each consonant produces a quick, distinct sound with airflow obstruction. Understanding vowels and consonants is essential for learning English effectively. First, it helps you pronounce words correctly. Second, it is fundamental for learning to read and write in English. Third, it improves your ability to listen and understand spoken English. Finally, it provides the foundation for building fluent communication skills. Mastering these basics will significantly improve your overall English proficiency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.